Hello everyone, Namaskara. Welcome to Vedanta Sattvic Stories. Today we'll learn how to make a very popular South Indian dish, Pongal. Let's begin. First, heat a cooking pot on a stove, add 1 teaspoon of ghee and add 1 cup of moong dal. Fry the moong dal till you get a roasted fragrance. Keep the roasted moong dal aside. Take a cup of rice and wash it till the rice water is clear. Add the roasted moong dal, the washed rice and 2 liters of water in a pressure cooker and mix them. Add 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1.5 tablespoons ghee. Close the cooker lid and heat till 3 to 4 whistles. Open the cooker and check if the pongal mixture is properly cooked. Now let's prepare the tadka. Heat a pan on the stove and add 2.5 tablespoons of ghee. Add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 15 to 20 curry leaves, 4 to 5 pieces of sliced green chilies, around 10 pieces of cashew, 1.5 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of black pepper. Now stir and fry the mixture till the cashews are golden brown in color. Next, let's add the tadka to the pongal mixture. Stir it to mix well and heat on medium flame until the rice and moong dal mixture becomes softer and water is absorbed. Hot and delicious pongal is ready to be served. Subscribe to our channel. To stay updated, press the bell icon. Namaskara.